we're gonna go look at a because he's thinking about trading in his 335.
Go ahead, I'm driving 30, baby.
It might be a Lambo, but I ain't no bitch.
All the airbags went off, every single one of them.
Yeah, I just got robbed at $300.
Anybody wants E92 N3 BC coilovers? Hit me up. I need to get rid of those. I got more people yelling at me in my neighborhood. Hold on, I'm gonna turn around. Dog, she screamed at me. Hey, what was that?
Take a goddamn picture of you.
Go ahead. Hey, go ahead.
30.
Go ahead, I'm driving 30, baby. Go ahead, take a pic, take a pic. You know how to work the phone? You know how to work the phone?
Oh my god, I love my neighborhood. We're going right back too, because I gotta go out this bitch. Look, she got the phone to work. Hey, baby girl! I'm gonna be on Facebook in about 1 minute. Right now I'm on the way to Mason's house, because we're gonna go look at a because he's thinking about trading in his 335. We're headed all the way down to DC, which is about an hour-and-a-half drive in his 335. And we'll talk about it more when I get to Mason's, but the guy wants Mason's 335 plus 9.5 on top. The thing looks so clean on Facebook. 3 minutes!
Did I not just pull like a freight train?
It pulled so hard. Wait, what am I recording for?
Just now, you're not ready for it.
Just as lost as all of you guys. Oh, take easy.
Fucking too easy.
Oh, okay. Should've known, should've known. What we gonna look at?
I can't say too much. Y'all won't be disappointed. I hope not.
No.
Y'all are disappointed. So
I'm mad to get one. He gonna make me get one. You already know what the f it is. You already know, bro. Oh, appetite bags? That thing sounds good, bro. Yo, appetite! Make money to get my 10 grand. He's like Googling 335i. What is that? What is that? Soft burbles. We don't drive our cars reckless. Jason, it's a Mustang. That was a good race. We were pulling on him at the end.
I let him go because he was.
He definitely got the hit.
We were pulling, but it wasn't by much.
Nah, that was a solid race.
Never heard like this before. Don't wanna think about her. I wear a ring with that.
Alright boys, we're pulling up right now. I'm not gonna show the car. We're gonna have a big reveal for the car, but you'll probably already have an idea. Just seen the car, confirm this thing's being bought. If he doesn't buy it, I'm buying it. That's it actually, I did a gray one. Right behind it. It has a carbon hood. He just revved it. This ain't good, boys.
You know, if I don't buy this one, I'm gonna get another one.
Oh yeah. And you know when you buy one, I'm getting one? Yeah. Mason's going on a test drive right now. He's trying to trade his 335 plus some cash on top for this car. Mason's got the 335 all cleaned up. He's gonna take me on a test drive next when I come back.
Alright,
Thoughts?
it's nice. Definitely needs work.
Definitely needs work. I mean, really just that cleaned the whole thing up.
Wrap, new set of wheels.
Now, one thing I will say, I think it don't pull as hard as this.
The seats.
Seats are nice. Definitely makes me want to get some.
The interior is perfect.
Made a $300 little
Deposit. So, real shit, you get in the car or what?
I don't know, dude. It's like, do I want to get rid of this stuff?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, we came here more excited than we left.
For sure.
For sure. I think you're gonna love it when you figure out how to drive a manual and you start ripping that thing. Because everybody who drives those cars absolutely loves it.
What?
Oh yeah, dude.
What?
Soft burp is on for the day. That undergrad is nice. Keep that. Go, 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 baby, go! There's a Lambo!
Car!
There it is! Yeah! I got mansions. Everyone subscribe so we can get one of these houses and own the car in front of us.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
If y'all make me afford one of those houses, any of y'all come over whenever y'all want. Get next to him, get next to him, get next to him. AC was on. He ain't pulling on us.
He not pulling out.
It's an older fella, but he might run us.
He didn't pull none.
No,
wait a minute.
He ain't pull on us. I didn't see nothing. That thing is sweet. Alright, we go home.
Yeah.
Coming, brother. He's coming to Maryland, boys.
What's up, man?
Let's go, baby.
I ain't no bitch. It might be a Lambo, but I ain't no bitch.
Yeah, stupid. Bro, that thing was clean. We need one of them bitches in our life. Come on, little snake.
He don't want it. He knows better.
He don't want it.
Just lost $300 fucking dollars.
Our base just lost $300. Should we just say what the car is? That's really
Yeah, it's a fucking.
Alright, so it's an E92 M3. The owner of the car said there was 3 owners, 1 accident, front end. Carfax says 7 owners, 2 accidents, and the pictures that sent Mason were like little minor accidents that really weren't worried
I
about.
just found out this bitch has been rolled.
He googled the VIN. I'll pop up the picture of it, but that thing has definitely been like sideswiped or rolled or something, cause like, and that's why the rat was so up on that right side.
Oh shit.
And the airbags deployed. He did not send these pictures. All the airbags went off. Every single one of them. He said the one side did, that's it. Every single one of them off. You're gonna send it to him?
Yeah.
I can't wait for this response. If you even get one at this point.
Probably won't.
Oh boys, keeping the M54. We tried to get an M3 for the channel, but what are you gonna do?
We'll get one, don't worry.
I'm gonna pop up Mason's Cash App on the screen.
Yeah, I just got robbed of $300, that's for sure.
Back in my 335. You know, it was a fun trip down there, but I don't think Mason's gonna pick up the car. It's just not a good idea, because all in all, the dudes lied about a bunch of stuff. The more we keep digging into it, the more we just aren't liking about it. We were gonna keep it a secret. We were all excited about it on the way there. Make a big reveal video, but at least we got some sick content with the Lambo, the 5.0, and then that Karen in the beginning of the video. You know, you gotta love those people. We're staying N54, boys, for a little longer. I mean, hopefully Mason will get an M3 here shortly. Let me know what you guys want me to cop next. You know, a lot of y'all already know I'm interested in that Mark 5 Supra. You know, I know a lot of people want me to get M3s, M4s, 340i's, all that fun stuff, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I appreciate the love on that last POV drive. I know that video is doing pretty solid where it's at right now. I uploaded it like 2 days ago. I'm updating Shop Webbies. It's going on a whole new website builder, so it's gonna look, I already redone like a lot of it. It's gonna look way more modern and updated. So the website's gonna be updated within a week or so. Give that some time. Y'all can still go on the website and buy stuff right now. Follow Mason. Damn him a heart to show him some respect for his loss today. Follow me on Instagram. Roll close to 5,000. Make sure to sub up. Even if we already have 5,000, sub up, like, do all that fun stuff. really trying to bring you all this content as much as possible. And I really appreciate the support that you all give me. It really keeps me motivated to keep going, because, you know, everyone's got those down days, but you just gotta keep pulling through. Any of y'all at home who want to be a YouTuber, I mean, I'm not a YouTuber. I only have 5,000 subscribers. I'm just some kid from Maryland who ain't shit, but, you know, I'm trying here. So if any of y'all want to do content creation or whatever y'all want, there ain't nothing like starting but now. Don't wait a week, do it now. I know y'all got shit. I know y'all got videos you want to upload. Just do that shit. And how I look at it is, if you just keep going, no matter what, it's gonna work. I mean, even me right here, I'm gonna just ride it out. I really try to do my best with editing and all that. Try to keep it entertaining as shit, because, you know, a lot of car people are super like technical and stuff, and I don't really like being too technical. I mean, I'm just a teenager like most of my audience out here. I'm just trying to have fun, not really be too technical about stuff. I mean, that's just my little speech right there, but I'm gonna call it a video there, boys. So appreciate y'all, love you all. Hit you on the flip.
All far, boy, too much now. I feel it in my gut. Tell no lie, baby, tell no lie. Pour too